What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play Meet Me at Our Spot by The Anxiety, Willow, and Tyler Cole on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will have the timestamps for each section in the description of this video, so you can skip ahead to either the strumming or the mini play along at the end of the video. If you already know these chords, I'll pop them up on screen right now. So if you're like, Ricky, I know those chords, let's move ahead to the strumming or the mini play along. Again, that will be down below with the timestamps. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started learning to play the uke, I don't know those chords. Where do you put your fingers on the uke for each chord? Don't worry, we will go in depth and talk about that coming right up. But also what I do want to note is that the full ukulele play along video for this song is already live on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link down below in the description and also in the top of the comments. That video consists of the lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. So it's a super easy play along for you after you learn the chords, the strumming pattern, and all that good stuff in this video. So definitely make sure to go check that out after you watch this tutorial video. But with that being said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song coming up next. Alright, so now that you're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, the strings, and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see it and then also have me talk you through it. So with that being said and done, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the third string, first fret. So it's going to look like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the fourth string, second fret. So it's going to look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger over all four strings on the second fret. So it's going to look like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the fourth string, fourth fret. So it's going to look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the fourth string, second fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the third string, second fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the second string, second fret. So your fingers are occupying the fourth, third, and second string on the second fret, and it should sound like this. Alright, so the next chord that we need is the G flat minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the third string, first fret. So it's going to look like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the fourth string, second fret. So it should look like this. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the second string, second fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the third string, second fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the first string, second fret. And then finally take your ring finger and place it on the second string, third fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all 5 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play. And now we're going to talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. All right, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I ain't got time for strumming. I just picked up the uke a week ago, yesterday, literally an hour ago. I don't want to add any strumming. I love this song. It's super popular on TikTok. I want to play it, but don't add any strumming. I'll be very mad at you if you do add strumming. I got you. So the first way you can play this song is just going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum all 4 strings with your thumb, and you're just going to strum down. And then as soon as you see a new chord, you're just going to strum down again. So it can be like, when I wake up, I can't even stay up. I slept through the day. Fudge. I don't want to say the F word. Should I? I don't know. But you get the point. You're just going to strum down whenever you see a new chord change. And again, the full play along video with the chords and lyrics on screen is live on YouTube right now, linked down below. But again, you're just going to strum down a simple down strum whenever you see a new chord change, and it just sounds absolutely amazing. All right, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and actually how I played it in the full play along video. Again, that will be linked down below, and also in the mini section that we're going to play very soon, that's going to be the strumming pattern that we're going to use in there as well. So let's go ahead and talk about the strumming pattern. So we're going to break it down because it does have a little bit of a switch up in the strumming pattern. So the first section is going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. So again, we're just going to do a down, down, up, 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 down, up. So that's going to be for the first chord. So I'll put the lyrics on chords on screen. So we'll start off with when I wake up. So with the D. So when I wake up, I can't even stay up. So with the G, with the stay up, you're going to do a down, down. And then for the next chord as well, you're going to do a down, down. And then you're going to go back into that strumming pattern. So again, it's going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, down, and down, down. And then you're going to go back to the down, down, up, 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 down, 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 down. So again, if we do the full strumming pattern, this is what it's going to sound like. In 3, 2, 1. So again, it's going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, down, and down, down, and then back to down, down, up, 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 down, down, and down, down. And you're just going to repeat that strumming pattern. So again, we'll do that one more time, and you're just going to constantly repeat it. It's just going to be on a loop. So this will be the full strumming pattern that you're just going to do on a loop. In 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, 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 down, down, and down, down. And it helps a lot when you say down, down, up, 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 down, up. So let's do it again. I'm not going to say it, but I want you to say it down, down, up, 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 down, up when you're strumming. So I'm not going to say it. You're going to say it. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. So again, it's just going to be that strumming pattern on a loop. And again, in the mini play along that we're going to do right here very shortly, you're going to see how everything sounds together. And again, as well, I'm going to say again, again, the full play along video will be down below, but you're just going to do that strumming pattern. And again, it's just going to be on a loop. So that is the strumming pattern that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and package all of that good stuff together with the chords and the strumming pattern. And let's listen to what it should sound like with the lyrics and chords and all that good stuff packaged together in the mini play along coming up. In 3, 2, 1. When I wake up, I can't even stay up. I slept through the day, fuck, I'm not getting younger. But when I'm older, I'll be so much stronger. I'll stay up for longer. Meet me at our spot. I caught a vibe. Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just wanna look into your eyes. I just wanna stay for the night. Alright, so we learned the chords and a couple different ways you can play this song, and also did a mini play along in this video. Congratulations, you now know how to play Meet Me at Our Spot on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. My analytics shows me that over 70% of you guys that watch these videos have not hit that subscribe button. So please, please, please make sure and double check that you've hit that red subscribe button. It will turn gray and you will be part of the Uke fam. We're getting so much closer to 100,000 subscribers, so I would love it if you could share this video. Have your granny, have your grandfather, have your uncle, your neighbors, your dog, create a YouTube account for your dog, have them subscribe to the channel. Can we get to 100,000 soon? I believe. So again, make sure to check down below if you have hit that red subscribe button, because again, like 70% of you guys that watch these videos, that come back and watch these videos, have not joined the Uke fam, have not hit that red subscribe button. So please double check if you have. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, if you are a regular on this channel, you will know that this is one of my favorite ukes. It is a concert-sized Enya ukulele. I love the detail with the star on the neck and the fretboard, and the actual color of this is absolutely beautiful. If you do want to go get this, I'll leave a link down below. Again, Enya ukes are super affordable as well, and they are also high quality, better than what I can speak right now because I'm getting tongue-tied because it is so beautiful. Again, that'll be down below. Thank you, Enya, for making super affordable and high quality ukes. Also, talking about links in the description, links to the merch. Currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie. We also have the Uke fam merch as well. That will be down below, and links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And finally, please let me know your song requests in the comment section below of this video. I love going through them and listening to your recommendations and requests and all that good stuff. And maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song. So make sure to leave your comments down below. But that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, we're at the end already. Thank you so much for watching. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.